Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Godzilla out of clay. First, gather your materials like green or gray clay, sculpting tools, and a clean workspace. Begin by shaping the main body into a robust oval. Then, create a smaller, elongated oval for the head. Connect these two parts with a short, thick neck, ensuring a strong base for your creature. Next, let's add Godzilla's powerful limbs and tail. Roll out 4 thick, sturdy cylinders for the arms and legs. Attach them securely to the main body, blending the clay to avoid seams. For the tail, create a long, thick piece that tapers to a point, then smoothly connect it to the back of the body. Now for Godzilla's iconic features. Roll many small, sharp triangles for the dorsal fins and press them along the back and tail. For the face, gently indent 2 spots for the eyes and 2 smaller ones for the nostrils. Build up a brow ridge and define the jawline to give your Godzilla a fierce expression. To finish your clay Godzilla, add some texture. Use a sculpting tool or even a toothpick to create scale patterns across the body, limbs, and tail. Smooth out any rough edges and refine all the connections. Once you are happy with the details, let your clay Godzilla dry completely or bake it according to your clay's instructions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.